EverBank high savings account. Imagine banking that doesn't just keep up with your financial goals, but actually propels them forward. With EverBank's innovative approach, you are not just saving, you are growing. Discover how EverBank is redefining what it means to truly invest in your future. Hi guys and welcome in this video. We'll talk about EverBank High Savings Account. EverBank is a financial institution that combines the stability of traditional banking with innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals and businesses alike. With a commitment to providing competitive rates, cutting-edge technology, and personalized customer service, EverBank aims to redefine the banking experience. Whether you are looking to manage your savings more effectively, invest for the future, or secure financing, EverBank offers a range of products tailored to meet your needs. Their mission is to help you not only achieve your financial goals, but exceed them all while maintaining a strong foundation of trust and durability. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into everbank.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here first information about EverBank. So if you want to open your account, all you have to do is click over open account and you write your information that you find your account for the first time. If you want to find your account that you already signed up with it, or let's say you opened an account before, so you click over login and you find your account. Then we have here a first information about EverBank. Let's know it together. So the first thing we have here personal banking. We have here 5% API gives your savings and advantages, boasting a competitive high yield and no monthly maintenance fee. Our EverBank Performance Savings account makes your hard-earned money work harder for you. Then we have your business banking beyond the basic specialized financing solutions, and if we scroll down we have also here member FDEC ever protected. With FDEC insurance you can be sure that your hard-earned money is secured and safe. At EverBank, your deposits are automatically insured by the FDEC up to the legal limit. And then we have your ever performance. You deserve to get the most out of your money, so we deliver solutions that succeed, from competitive interest rates to our performance accounts built to fit your individual needs. Then we have here 5% EverBank Performance Savings. Take your savings to the next level with our high yield account, boasting no monthly account fee, no minimum balance requirements, and easy mobile and online access. Then you have here it's time you bank it on more, get more out of your money, and how you bank with the accounts, services, and rates that separate us from banking as usual. Then we have here strong security. Rest assured that your information, accounts, and money are safe with our range of trusted security measures. Then we have bank security, free cash access with our checking and money market accounts. Freely access your cash at over than $80,000, no fee ATMs across the country. Then you have mobile check deposits. When you go out of your way to deposit a check, use our mobile app to send it to us securely and in a snap. If we scroll down, we have also here about us. Learn about our rich story, dynamic growth, diverse services, and involving commitments to financial success. Then here we have information to keep it in mind, so we have just to read it to more understand. We have your EverBank where closer than you think, and you click over contact us and you start contact with EverBank. Then we have your discover, we have about us, we have awards and recognition, newsroom, security center, search cars. Then we have your resources, identity finder, locations, forms and applications, accessibility and money program. Then we have here other things. You can just click over the one you want to know, and here we go. And then if we come back to the top, here we have personal banking, today's rates, support. We have here high yield accounts, performance savings, performance money market, performance checking, about CD accounts. We have here performance CD, about diversified. We have investing, so you can just click over to one you want to know and information. We have here diversified investing overview, precious metals, foreign currencies, market safe city. Then we have all about online and mobile online tools and services. Mobile bank can send money with silly awards and recognitions. And then we have your business. About business, we have business home, today's rates, support. Then about accounts, we have checking overview, money market, high yields, cities, business city CDRs, CDs, and then we have currency access account. About services, we have treasury services, merchant services, foreign exchange, and we have your online and mobile business, online banking, mobile banking, and we have mobile banking. Then we have here commercial. So first thing, we have your commercial overview. We are here to help build up your business so you can create more value, impact, and potential. You can rely on our dedicated specialists, highly responsive service, and fast expertise to propel your business forward. So about commercial, we have your commercial home, client services, B2B solutions, financing, multifamily lending, specialty and lender financing, and we have the last one. It's about we have here about home, leadership, security center, and about careers we have search careers, and then we have news and media, newsroom, awards and recognition, and about EverBank we have here. We know the hard work you put in to get where you are, and we want you to know that finding you an earned advantage is what drives us. We are committed to delivering consistently high yields, dedicated service. So everybody distinguishes itself by offering a comprehensive suite of financial products that cater to both individuals and businesses, providing competitive interest rates that maximize returns on saving, CDs, and investment accounts. Their innovative approach to banking is reflected in a variety of specialized financial products, including high-yield savings accounts and customizable investment options, tailored to meet the unique goals of each customer. Leveraging cutting-edge technology, EverBank's online platform and mobile app make it incredibly easy to manage your finances on the go. With intuitive interfaces and real-time access to your accounts. Moreover, EverBank places a strong emphasis on personalized customer service, ensuring that every client receives expert advice and solutions that are aligned with their specific financial objective. This commitment to personalization extends to their flexible banking solutions, which can be customized to fit the needs of individuals seeking simple checking accounts or businesses requiring complex financial services. And then we have security is a top priority at EverBank with advanced measure and plus to protect your financial information and assets. Their global reach, coupled with deep local market knowledge, allows EverBank to offer insights and opportunities that are both expensive and relevant to clients in various regions. EverBank's dedication to growth is evident in their strategic planning resources, educational tools, and investment opportunities designed to help customers not only meet but exceed their financial goals, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.